Namaste, welcome to Revision with Ritti. Today we will see the lesson 15, our Earth. We live on Earth. The surface of the Earth is covered with land and water. Look at the picture of the Earth. The blue parts shows water and the green part shows land on the Earth's surface. Let us learn more about the Earth. Land. The land is not the same everywhere on Earth. In some places it is flat. Such places are called plains. So flat surface of the Earth called plains. Plains are usually hot in summers and cold in winters. Some areas of land are higher than the land around them. Such areas are called hills. So higher than the land, called hills. They usually have pleasant weather around the year. Very high hills are called mountains. The top of a mountain is called peak. Peaks of very high mountains are covered with the snow. It is usually very cold in the mountains. The low-lying land between two hills or mountains is called valleys. Valleys have thick forests. There are some high areas of land which have a flat top like a table. These are called tablelands or plateaus. Next, water. There are different types of water bodies on Earth. Snow in the mountains melts and flows down to the plain in the form of a river. What is river? Mountains that melts and flows down in the form of river. Rivers are also fed by rainwater. When water falls down from height, it is called waterfall. When water collects in a large area of land, it is called lake. Small areas of water are called ponds. Water in a pond does not move much. Water can also be found under the ground. This is called underground water. We dig wells to get underground water. Very high bodies of water are called oceans and seas. All rivers flow towards a sea or an ocean. The water in oceans and seas is salty and can't be used for drinking. Why we can't drink a sea water? Because it's very salty. Rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and rain give us fresh water. We use fresh water for drinking, cooking, washing and all our needs. What is the source of the fresh water? Rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and rain. Next, air. There is a blanket of air all around the earth. This protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. We all need air to breathe. We cannot see air, we can only feel it. Balloons and tires look empty, but they are actually filled with air. Moving air is called wind. Taking care of the earth. If we dirty the land, water, or air, we harm our earth. We should take care of our earth as it is home to all the living things. We should keep it clean and green. So, next exercise. Fill in the blanks. The dash of the earth is covered with land and water. The surface of the earth. Flat areas of land are called dash. Plains. Very high hills are called mountains. Oceans and seas have dash water. Salty. We all need dash to breathe. Air. Right, true or false? The earth's surface is completely covered in water. False. Hills are very hot in summers. False. The top of a mountain is called a peak. True. Rivers are formed when snow in the mountains melts. True. Water protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. False. Choose the correct answer. An area of land which is higher than the land around it is called an ocean, a hill, a plain, a sea. Hill. Very high hills are called plateaus, plains, mountains, valleys. Mountains. The low-lying land between two hills or mountains is called plain, plateau, valley, peak. Valley. The top of a plateau is like chair, table, bed, sofa. Table. We get fresh water from rivers, lakes, ponds, all of this. All of this. Answer the following questions. Explain the term plain, hill and mountain. The surface of some areas of land are higher than the land around them are called hills. Surface of the land are called plains. Very high hills are called mountains. How are rivers formed? Snow in the mountains melts and flows down to the plains in the form of a river. What are seas and oceans? Very large bodies of water are called oceans and seas. All rivers flow towards a sea or an ocean. The water in oceans and seas is salty and can't be used for drinking. For this, we finished 15th lesson, our Earth. Tomorrow we will see time, days, and months. Thank you.